Hello. So I got some feedback that some of you wanted to learn a little bit more about embedding videos into Nearpod and the videos using some of the Word documents that you already have to make it easier for digital learning during this time. So, what the other teacher and I did that we shared with you is we made a video using Screencast just like I'm doing it right now. So, I pretty much just went to Screencast-O-Matic and then you just do the launch free recorder and it starts recording the screen. So what we did is we pulled up a Word document on the unit that we're working on. So let's say I want to pull up this Word document and I want to work on this document as if it were notes with the students. So what we did is we posted this on Canvas, but we went up here and we showed the kids that they go up here to the tab that says review and then they'll click on start inking. And then let's see. And then it brings this up. I usually click right here on this pin and that way that tab stays there and it doesn't go away. Some of yours may already have the tab up here. So then here you can change different colors. Notice how there's more options. You can highlight things. So I can use the highlighter and highlight important information throughout the notes. And the kids can follow along with the notes too. You can use thicker annotation, or you can use the annotation that we used in the notes, which was just the regular pen. You can also erase things that you don't like. So if I wanted to annotate over this, the really nice thing about this is you can go through that, like the definitions and the examples, and then you would have to scroll down and not use the touch screen. And then here you can start by saying, okay, so if you were to roll a dice, what's the probability of rolling a 1? Well, there's only one probability out of 6 outcomes, so it would be 1/6. And you can go through the notes and notice how when you scroll down, that stays with the Word document. So it's notes that the students can keep up with, and it's notes that you can keep up with yourself, because once you annotate over this, you can even upload the annotated version of the notes by just going onto File, Save As, and then uploading it into as part of your assignment. So let's say that this is what I wanted to do and I completed my video and I saved it. So I saved the file. I went down here on my screencast. You should see you probably don't see it now, but you'll see an icon that has like the pause button, the play, and it lets you continue recording or stop the recording. So once that's done and you save the video, it's going to ask you to save the video, and you can also save it in your file, in your file folder. And once it's saved in your class, you can go on Nearpod. So I'm going to go up here on Nearpod. So I'm going to open up a tab and I'm going to Nearpod, and it's automatically going to take me there, and I'm already signed in, so it's going to sign me in. So remember that if you don't have an account, you need to talk to our technology district person, and he will be able to give you access to this. But we talked about that in the other video. So once you're here, what we did on the other lesson that you all liked was we went on create, and we did create a lesson. You can create a video, but then that's the only thing that's going to be on your Nearpod. So what we did that time is we added a slide and we added a video. And like I had mentioned earlier, there's videos here on Nearpod you can embed. There's videos from YouTube, and then there's videos that you've already uploaded. So this is a video we did, and then you can upload your video. So you would choose a video from your file. So I know I have some videos. Let's see. So I have some videos here. So let's say that I already saved one of my videos. And these are a lot of videos that we've used throughout the year. But let's say that this is one of the videos I want to embed. So I'll just click on open. And it's going to embed the video. So once you save it on Screencast and you do the video with the notes using Microsoft Word, you'll save it and then you'll upload it in here. So I'm going to give it a couple minutes. And I'm just going to wait a little bit because I want to show you how to add the questions and add different things to your video, just like we did when we shared the lesson with you. So now the video's here. So let's say that you play it. So see, notice how I uploaded the Word document, and throughout the video I annotated over the Word document. And wherever you're at a good stopping place where you want to ask the kids a question, so let's say right here you want to see what they would write before you type in number 1, you could say add activity, and you can do an open-ended question or you can do a multiple choice question. If you want to do like an open-ended question, you can click there and ask the question there, like what should the answer to problem number 1 be? And then you can click save. Or I could have added later on, I could have added another question, and I can keep playing this.
So that would be 4 plus 3.
So notice how the video keeps going, and then notice how there's that question, that open-ended question. So it kind of pauses it for the kids. They have a chance to answer it, and then you can put it on your Canvas page. So once this is done and you're done with the video, I'm just going to click on save. You can add a lot of questions wherever you want them, which is what we did. And then if you wanted to add more things, you can go on add slide. And you could add different things from here. I like to use the activities, and you can add more open-ended questions, a draw it screen, and just kind of go through the things that we've already done. But that's just the way that we did the video, and I know several of you were interested in doing that, and I need to save the changes on mine. But once that's done, then you can share the lesson with students. I'm not going to do it just because it's just a practice lesson, but if you have questions on anything, please feel free to let me know, and I hope this helps. Thank you.